CEO of the Year, Stephen White. Steve has been President and Chief Executive Officer of the Westerly Community Credit Union, WCCU, for 20 years. Steve's strong financial knowledge is evident as during that time, the credit union has grown in assets from $84 million to $365 million and has gone from 2 branch offices to 4 branches and an operations center. In 2019, WCCU achieved 2 financial milestones, eclipsing $300 million in assets and originating over $100 million in loans and lines of credit for the first time in its history. Steve has worked in the credit union industry since he was 18 years old. He is a forward-thinking individual who is never satisfied with the status quo. He consistently thinks outside the box for products and solutions that will help members and the communities they serve while allowing their credit union to remain successful. One of Steve's greatest assets is his ability to create a culture at WCCU that not only allows the credit union to grow financially, but still delivers superior service and commitment to its members. Steve sets the tone and leads by example through his service on many local boards and committees. A few of the associations he serves on include Finance Committee, Ocean Community YMCA, Board Member for the Westerly Education Endowment Fund, former District Clerk for the Dunn's Corner Fire Department, and former Association Board Treasurer for the Ocean Community YMCA. Under Steve's leadership in recent years, WCCU has received many awards recognizing its service to the community. Some of these include Excellence in Social Responsibility Award 2018, Cooperative Credit Union Association CEO of the Year, Best Places to Work 2018-2019 Providence Business News, Best Employer Southern Rhode Island Chamber of Commerce 2018 Chamber Choice Awards, and Southern Rhode Island Chamber's Spreadin' the Love Award for giving back to the community in 2019 and 2020. Steve's leadership was put to the test with the COVID-19 pandemic. Not only did Steve have to navigate through keeping business running, but also kept the credit union available for its members' needs. The credit union developed a plan that created a safe working environment for its employees that allowed its branches to reopen quickly. The credit union offered many programs to help its members through these difficult times by providing payroll protection program loans and the Skip a Payment program. Steve has also spearheaded sizable donations to a local hospital and food banks. The success of the Westerly Community Credit Union doesn't just happen by itself. Steve will be the first to tell you that he has an excellent and hard-working staff. While that may be true, Steve's consistent motivation and leadership sets the tone for superior performance and commitment to the credit union members. Congratulations, Stephen White, CEO of the Year.
Hi, this is Steve White, and first of all, I want to say I am truly surprised and humbled by this award. I'm also very touched by my staff and board who were willing to put my name in for nomination. However, I will be honest with you, I am going to be insufferable the rest of the year. I've already started with the comments, are you sure you're right? Absolutely, I'm right. I'm CEO of the Year. And they deserve this because they know I don't like the limelight and I'm going to torture them for the rest of the year for doing this. But it did get me thinking about the early part of my career and how I got started. My career started actually, I was bussing tables at Howard Johnson's when I was 18 years old, 41 years ago. Wow, hard to believe how much time has gone by. And Bob Rick, who was the general manager of People's Credit Union at the time, was there. And I knew him, and he was there after a board meeting with a couple of his board members. I went over, said hi to Mr. Rick, shook his hand, and he introduced me to his other board members. And I guess they were impressed, and they offered me a job as a teller. And I did that while I worked my way through school. And it's interesting because as I look back now, every big moment in my life comes back down to that handshake. And it made me thinking also about my career and our career as credit union executives. What things have we done? What moments have we had in our career that allowed us to make a difference in someone's life? Whether it's a PPP loan and I get a note thinking how it saved their business and how they were able to re-engineer their business and move forward. Or from a food bank, when we send an unsolicited donation and the people there are so appreciative because things were starting to get tight. Those are the types of moments that make me look back, and I'm sure we've all had them, that make this industry really cool, those great things we do for people, and will it have that long-term effect on their life and how we helped others. Now, getting back to the award, if it's because Westerly Community Credit Union has done great things, it is a reflection of our team, not just me. And I have to accept that award on all of our behalf, not just my own. I also want to thank my family for putting up the late night meetings and for dealing with me when things haven't been so great. I mean, this job comes with stresses too. Look at coronavirus and having to manage through that. So my wife, Grace, and my son, Carter, I owe them a great debt of gratitude also. To the Cooperative Credit Union Association, Ron and his team, first of all, I'd like to say, what took you so long? I've been doing this 20 years, all right? I mean, I'm getting this award now in a COVID year when I have to do this by video. And where's my Hawaii trip, by the way? Anyways, no, I'm just kidding on that. Ron, you and your team, you do a great job representing us, and your organization deserves kudos from all of us here who are members of the Cooperative Credit Union Association. Finally, I'd like to say once again that I'm very appreciative, I'm very humbled, and please, everyone out there, take care, be safe, and thank you.